Go.
We're going to my grandma. Tell her that we're going to the World Series. Hi. What are you watching?
Hi.
Yay. I was trying to tell you. I wrote into the Ellen show that you're the biggest Yankees fan. And Ellen just called me, and we're going to the World Series Game 6, me and you. She's flying us there. What? We're flying.
Ellen DeGeneres.
Ellen's show tomorrow.
No. Taking her back. It's upside down.
Oh my God!